Welcome to this tutorial on getting started with Zeninbox. Let's walk through the process of creating an account. Visit zeninbox.ai start by opening the official website, zeninbox.ai. In the top right corner of the home page, click the Try for Free button. This will redirect you to the Sign Up page. Create your account. On the Sign Up page, you'll need to fill in some basic information. Enter your first name and last name. Provide your work email. Set a secure password and confirm it. Check the box to accept the terms and conditions. Once you've filled out all the details, click the Sign Up button. You'll then receive an OTP for verification. Enter the OTP to verify your email address and proceed to the next step. Enter organization details. After email verification, you'll be prompted to enter details about your organization. Provide your organization's name. Select the type of organization. Specify the size of your organization by choosing the number of people. Once completed, click Next. Add team members. Now it's time to add team members to your organization. Enter the email addresses of your team members and click Send Invite. You can add 2 or more members by clicking the Add More button. If you prefer, you can skip this step by clicking the Skip button. Create a workspace. In the next step, you'll create your workspace. Upload a logo for your workspace if desired. Enter a name for your workspace. Write a brief description, select your time zone, and add members if needed. Once all details are filled out, click Create Workspace. Access your workspace. Once your workspace is created, it will appear on your dashboard. Select your workspace and click Enter Workspace to start using Zeninbox. And that's it. You're now set up and ready to explore the powerful features of Zeninbox.